You know, it's good to waste not, right? We want to keep what we throw away from our food waste to be minimal. And I had made a couple of apple pies for Thanksgiving, and I always try to use different variety of apples, so I had 3 different bags of apples. Well, I didn't use them all for just 2 pies, so they've been in my refrigerator. And I'm thinking, if I don't do something with them soon, I'm going to be throwing them out for the deer. At least that wouldn't be wasting them completely, would it? But I just didn't feel like anything more like pie or crisp. So I saw this recipe on the Excalibur site, and it was a little bit different take for the apples. So I thought, let's try it, because we're talking about glazing our apple slices in maple syrup and cinnamon before we dehydrate them. Now, I mean, doesn't that sound good? And let me tell you, it's delicious. You can go along to the rest of the video. I'm just going to eat this. So I'm using my nifty apple slicer core, and the nice thing about this is that it actually gives you rings, but I have sometimes problems lining it up to get the part that actually does the coring just right. So it works, but it's a bit of a hassle. And you can just use a knife for this and just cut them in wedges. You don't have to use an apple peeler slicer like this. There we go. Off. We have all of our nice rings. So I've just got some water in here and poured in some real lemon, some lemon juice. And this will keep them from turning brown. We're just going to let them soak a little bit. Now, some of these, see they're in one continuous. That really won't work, will it? So I'm pulling them apart. Maybe. I want to have them in single layers on the tray. So separate them like this. So some will be half rings and some will be whole rings. They'll all taste the same. Now we want to drain our apples well. Get them all. There we go. So we're just going to leave them in here a bit and drain. Oh, some other little pieces I better eat. That one's got skin on it. Okay, be back when they're drained. We're going to use our syrup and our cinnamon. And we need 1 1/2 tablespoons of cinnamon. So. And of course it doesn't have to be exact. Okay, 1. That's about a half, okay? Now let's do our syrup. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. So right now, mixing up the cinnamon in the syrup. Looks pretty good. Let's get our drained apples. Okay, let's put our apples in here. Put them all in at once. Let's start with these. them up. Okay, put in some more. All up here. Some of these apples were soft, so they're kind of breaking apart here. There we go. I'll try to coat them all. You probably don't want to hear me keep doing this with a bag, so I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, all my slices were not a 1/4 inch thick like they're supposed to be. I have a little bit of problem using that apple peeler core, and I did the best I can. So, they're ready to put in the dehydrator. Okay, you see they're all kind of brown and coated, so I think we got them pretty good. Now we're just going to take time. Oh, I better eat that piece. Lay them all out. You want space in between. Oh, another small piece. Better eat it. So good. I will be back when I get these all laid out. So here's one tray, and you notice I'm leaving plenty of room around each one. That makes them dry out faster, and I'll make up the other trays. We're just going to put a cover on, put it at 130-degree temp, and then it's going to be 6-10 hours, depends how thick you really cut them and what your humidity is like. We'll be back when it's done. So the chickens are enjoying what was left over here, the waste from the apples. Nice little treat for them. And this way, nothing goes in the garbage, nothing goes to waste. Okay, here they are. Don't they look nice? And I thought they'd be sticky. They come right up. Look at that. I mean, these are beautiful. So as for taste test, hear that crunch? Just a little chewy. It's so good. You really get the cinnamon with just a little bit of sweetness. You don't really taste maple syrup, but these are delicious and quick. What a quick snack, and great and healthier for your kids. But I have to be honest to you, I kept opening the dehydrator door while it was warm and taking them out and eating them because these are just so good. So I hope you make these maple glaze and cinnamon dehydrated apple slices.